Now, let's start with Laravel Eloquent. We have learned the query builder. Now we are going to start with Eloquent. We will see how we can add data, read data, delete or update our data inside our table using Eloquent. So let's start by adding our data using Eloquent. So let's comment this out. We don't need it now. This is for query builder. Now, for Eloquent, when you want to add a data using Eloquent, you have to create a variable. For example, item is equal to new your model instance. For example, I want to add a student, so I'm going to write a student model. So I'm going to use a student model instance. So I will type a student. Now, remember that the VS Code will automatically add the class in the top. So you have to also add it. Then, now let's come to our method, add data. Then after that, we have name. So I will type item name is equal to, let's add this. Okay, let's write here tester. And for again, we will for email, we will say item email is equal to now tester@gmail.com. Then we have age. So I will say item age is equal to 25. Fine. Then date of birth. So again, item date of birth is equal to 2010 0101. And we have gender. So item gender is equal to F or female. Remember that we also added one more column score. So let's add that one also. So let's add item score is equal to 66. And finally, now when all your columns are finished, then at the end you have to type $sign item or the variable name which you have initialized the instance of the model. So you will say save. Now let's go to our browser and call this method. So first let's go to our routes. We don't have to change anything inside the routes, only the controller. So let's go to this add data route, enter, added successfully. Now let's go back to our database, refresh our table. If we scroll down, as you guys can see, we got our record tester and tester@gmail.com. So this is how we can add a record using Eloquent. If you guys have noticed in here in Query Builder, we directly access the database table, but in Eloquent, we access our model. From model, then we will go to our database. So this is the difference between Query Builder and Eloquent. And Query Builder, you access the database directly, but in Eloquent, first you access the model, then the database.